Hello, we are at 878 14th Street, apartment 303. This is a top floor, light and bright, one-bedroom unit. When you walk in the front door of the unit, we have a hall closet here. The unit opens up into a large living room area. Dining room, I should say. Okay, living room, there's a flat screen TV universal mount there. Okay, nice high ceilings. This is a top floor unit. Dining area. Updated kitchen. Got beige tile floor here in the kitchen. A fridge. A dishwasher. A disposal. Electric stove and microwave, quartz countertops. Okay. The unit has a beautiful private deck. And this building does have a gorgeous pool and patio area. Okay. Gas wall-mounted furnace. There's the thermostat. Hi everyone. Bathroom vanity. Quartz countertops, beige tile. All right. We have a rain shower, shower head, shower over tub. Okay, medicine chest and a towel bar. All right, passing through to the bedroom. You'll see that there is plenty of room in here for, you could do a king or a queen size bed, as you prefer. Here's the heater for this room. And then we got a nice big closet. Right, breaker box for the unit incidentally. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Right now we are doing showings by Zoom meetings, so please reach out and I'm happy to let you know when we are going to have the next virtual open house. Okay, thanks so much for watching.